Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to be having my easy and delicious nachos. And if you haven't had my nachos, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red crushed peppers, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of parsley, taco seasoning mix, Philadelphia cream cheese, pickles, chopped up red onions, chopped up green onion, cheese, and of course your nacho chips. And when I get everything prepared and ready, I'll be right back. And I'm back to show you how to cook your ground beef. You need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and your red onion. And I will put this taco seasoning pack in there once the ground beef is done. And I'll be right back. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious nacho spaghetti sauce.
Delicious, tasty.
It smells good, and I know it's gonna taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you gotta do is like, share, and subscribe, and tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call my